you today, guys? Today is the weekend and we are going to one place which is only locals go here. And yeah, we will see what is it inside. Now this one is called Pasar Burung Satria or Bird Market in Denapsar City Center. So let's see how is hustle and bustle.
Also, this is very local place. Not many tourists are visiting this place. Oh, actually, this is the tourist place, but not many foreigner tourists visiting this place. Also, I would like to say, if you are animal
welfare awareness or something like that.
Like, this may be very sensitive video about the animals. So for your own good, please switch off the video if you're really afraid about that. But for everyone who are very curious about very local life in Bali, this is for you, and I believe you will enjoy it. Halo, apa kabar?
Baik-baik.
Baik-baik. What do you have here? Birdie?
Ini burung-burung ini.
Burung-burung. Rooster. Good for the cockfight. I think so, good for the cockfight. A lot of things here. Hard to look on the left, on the right. Little rabbit here. Tropical birds. Also many cars around. Have to be careful. Don't die today on the street. This is quite a challenge every day.
Oh, look at the colored chicken.
Colorful birds for the kids. Like I said, some people may don't like it, but this is very local life. Local people just love it. So I know it's totally different to the Western standards, but yeah.
This is how it is.
This
the
is how it is.
Of the local life.
Local life and local work. This is Indonesia, not Europe. So here is everything little bit different. This bird is actually nice, sleeping little bit. Nice, colorful, many colorful birds. Can you hear the sound of the birdies? Many yellow. And this how is this in the market? Quite busy also with the local people around. Many shops are also closed for some reason. I think the interest of the stuff like this is a little bit less now due to economical situation, right? Like not so many people have money to buying the birdie. This one little birdie, very nice, actually.
Oh,
and
this one is
yeah,
the rabbit.
Seems like only birds at the moment, and some rabbits.
Yeah, so last time that we've got a request that can you show that how the local life. So yeah, we just took you to here. This is a very local life.
This is really local life. Totally nothing regarding the foreigners' lifestyle.
Oh, ini burung hantu ya. Oh, look at this owl.
Owl?
Yeah, this one is owl.
Small little owls.
Oh my
little
God.
birdie.
There are so many exotic animals here. What is it? Yang ini apa ya? Musang. Sama kayak luwak, bukan? Beda. Sama kayak luwak. Sama. Oh.
Rabbit. Many things.
What is it? Wow.
This is like a luwak, I think, yeah?
Yeah, that's the luwak.
Okay, this one will be very cruel, but they are little monkeys with the chains. You can buy the monkey. Well, like I said, for every people who are really animal stuff, that will be very drastic for you. But this is like a little monkey for sale, and this is like a local people do in Indonesia. So don't judge me, judge them, not me, please. I'm just showing you how is it. Also, you can buy the rooster. This is good for the cockfight. Eating papaya. Many birds. And this one actually is free.
Is it turkey or what?
No, I don't know. It's free actually. Little bit of the bird market. So just walking here, we saw the monkeys, luwaks, birds. Now I'm looking for some snakes, like a cobras or something, like Steve Irwin. Many Australian people should know Steve Irwin, and he was somewhere in Denapsar ages ago, like in 1990s, showing cobras. I know in Sri Lanka they have a cobras. I wonder if they still have in Bali cobras. Not sure, but we will try to show you. What's this guy having here? He have actually some lizard. Okay.
Oh my god, that's the Komodo dragon.
This is more exciting. Hello. He have
Itu apa? Komodo ya?
Ini biawak.
Oh, biawak.
Biawak.
Oh. Ih, nggak gigit ya?
Sudah jinak.
Oh, sudah jinak. Oh my goodness. And they also have a turtle. Look at this. I don't know. They sell many exotic animals. That's the iguana. Look.
Oh, okay, and the attraction for the small kids. This is what? Iguana?
Yes. Look that one. Wow.
Looks pretty decent. This is little bit really exotic hobby. Definitely exotic hobby. You have to agree with that. Hold on, this iguana looks really actually impressive. Okay, to calm down your emotions a little bit, this is the bananas. I believe I gonna get a lot of hate speech on this comment, but like I said already, please don't blame me, blame somebody else. I just showing you reality. How is it?
Yeah, for those of you who have been asking the local life, and yeah, this is how it is. I know this is sad, but this is a part of the local life. As you see, like many people are here, just like a normal life.
So this market technically is like if you tourist and going to Ubud art market buying the clothes, merchandise, or I don't know, some sort of stuff like this. Local people going to buy animals as their pet. Well, that's how it is.
By looking at the sign here, it is written like Objek Wisata Kota Pasar Burung Kota Denpasar. And even that it is signed also by the mayor of Denpasar. So this is basically the tourist object which is focused on the bird market. I know like maybe some of you who concerned on animal welfare or something like that, but this is how it is. You know, we are showing you how the real life, the reality life in Bali, like, you know, like in the city center in Denpasar. So yeah, either good or bad, this is how it is.
Alright, after the day full of emotions of the local market, we moved to the local eatery because somebody last time said there's no warungs, there are eateries, but actually this is warung. Many of you asked me to show you the really local places about Bali because Bali is not only tourist attraction. So I show you today one of the, you can choose if you would like to see more like this because I can show you more like this, or you better, Damian, maybe you better show me Kuta and Sanur again. Maybe some of you interpret as the local life is sitting on the beach and talking with Moaya, Normade and drinking bitang and talking about life. But for me it's just a normal life. It doesn't matter local or not because I can talk with that with the you are coming from Australia or America or Poland or whatever. Or you wanna see the real local life, which is something like this, because not many of you, I believe, ever been in this market, or maybe even never heard about this market. So that's how it is. Anyway, we're gonna enjoy our local food. I have a rendang, ayam, and sayang. What do you have?
Alright, so we decided to go to warung nasi padang because it's lunchtime. I order jackfruit and sambal ijo, telur dadar, ikan, pendamian, ayam goreng, and also rendang.
Yep.
Smash nego, selamat makan. So this is how the local life. Only Damian is moving here, as you see. Oh my God! So this is a very big portion. Yeah, we decided just to go in the one warung padang just on the big street in Denpasar. This is how it is. Eating with their hands. This one looks so good. This is how the local life. Smash nego, selamat makan. So alright guys, I think that's all our video today. This is how it is, our local life. We go to the place where only locals goes, and then we went to the warung nasi padang. It's called Rumah Makan Boga Minang, and the guy said, the seller, Ibu, what's your YouTube channel? And then can you mention our warung? Okay, it's okay. We are happy to share.
And how much you pay for all?
75.
Okay.
So yeah.
5 American.
I think that's all our video guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.